What's going on, everybody? C-Mac from C-Mac Cooks and Blackstone Boys. So I've had now my Arteflame for a little bit over 90 days, but wanted to kind of check in with y'all and kind of tell you how it's going. Let's get it out of the way. First of all, love this grill. It's unlike anything that I've ever had before. Let's also get the elephant in the room out of the way. It costs a little bit of money. You know, I see the comments on Arteflame posts and sometimes my posts too. You know, they're not cheap, but let's talk value, right? I mean, I've got friends that spend an awful lot of money on barbecue pits or trailers that maybe they're going to be doing catering. It's all about what the value is to you, right? For us, we love to entertain. We love to cook. There is not another or very few of these type of cooking apparatuses on the market that we can have 3 or 4 other couples cooking at the same time around the grill. And that's what it's kind of made for. It's made as like a communal cooker. That's where it really shines. Sure, it's super fun to cook on alone, but when you have a bunch of people standing around it, all with their tongs, moving their steaks, moving their fish, whatever, it is a lot of fun. Very versatile. You can cook on it. You can, you know, use the plancha ring. You can cook over the fire. It's got an extender, so you can move the grate up, get it away from the heat a little bit, put a cast iron pan on top. We've done a ton of different things. Rotisserie, I'll be doing a review on the rotisserie attachment soon, but there's just a ton of stuff that you can do with it, and it's pretty cool looking. So I got the Classic 40. I've also got the 120 for my smaller one. This is a big, solid piece of equipment. Talking about value again, this thing's going to outlast me and probably outlast my kids. It is made to last at least for a lifetime, if not longer. The plancha top itself, 150 pounds on this. It is a lot of fun, again, to cook on. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so we're back. Let's take a look at this guy again. So again, Classic 40. She's a little dirty right now. That's okay. We're gonna cook on her tonight or tomorrow. A lot of plans for her this weekend. So again, Corten steel top. This thing, 150 pounds on the 40-inch. I've got the little stainless steel top on it right now because, as you can see, we are under trees and we've got acorns and stuff all around. I've got one of the side warming tables. I've got another one that's just not on right now, so you can actually put 4 around here if you want. Come in really handy, super easy to put on. Come in really handy for setting your tongs, your spatulas, even your food. So if you push a lot of the coals over to whatever side that your warming table is on, it will actually warm the table too, and it'll keep your food warm. It's simple, but it is just a great grill. As I said, you can also extend the top. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Boom, there we go. Now we've got the grill grate riser and the grill, you know, about what, 5-6 inches above the fire. We've also got the food saver, which another question people always ask is, you know, when you're flipping around your food, veggies, whatever, doesn't some of it fall in the fire? Well, that can happen. Even with the food saver, I've had very little actually fall in there. But get the food saver on if you're doing something that may kind of roll around, Brussels sprouts, hot dogs, little veggies, tomatoes, whatever. Super handy, and that'll keep your food out of the fire. But I'll tell you, I'm loving this thing. By the way, once you're done cooking, take off the cooktop and you got a fire pit. Kids can cook s'mores, whatever you want to do, stay warm, comes in lower bases, so for people that want a true fire pit experience, you may want to go with a lower base or one of the smaller ones, 130, 120. I can tell you now, after having this thing for 4 or 5 months, I just love it. Listen, I still cook a lot of my big green egg on my Blackstones. I got my La Caja China to do pig roasts on. But this thing has been so much fun and just a great talk piece. We're gonna keep on cooking. Made in the USA. Great folks run the company. If you've got any questions, leave a comment down in the comments. I'll get back to you. You can also use my affiliate link if you want to order anything. And if you don't have space, if you're in an apartment, small backyard, you just don't want to pay, you know, for the full Arteflame, they also make great inserts for big green eggs, for Kamado cookers, for Webers that give you the same experience with the plancha cooking. So take a look at them. Can't go wrong. Arteflame. I'm loving you. All right, thanks for watching. More stuff coming soon.